Welcome to watch today's fresh home. A few years ago, the home now known as Palm Beach Spanish Revival was a smorgasbord of extravagant embellishments, faded millwork and palatial fixtures that seemed at odds with its Mediterranean-inspired surroundings. The present version has none of the hallmarks of its predecessor, except perhaps for its simple Moorish facade. Interior designer Sarah Sherman Samuel took steps to bring the home into the present, while keeping one foot in the past. The home borrows from several idiosyncratic ideologies, including the modern architecture of Mexico City's Miguel Hidalgo neighborhood, and Tadao Ando's doctrine of critical regionalism. As Sarah explains, the underpinning motivation was to establish a relationship with the outdoors and create layered spaces that straddle classic and contemporary sensibilities. The renovation was an exercise in considered additions and subtractions. It involved eliminating a covered porch, rehoming the fireplace and eschewing the existing sliding glass doors in service of colossal arched apertures that summon the sunlight deep inside. In another bid to enhance the home's proportions, the fireplace was highlighted with a soaring surround that complements the sky-high windows, and in turn, delivers an object lesson in optics by elongating the interior volume.